It's the spat that has had global investors and businesses on edge for more than a year, a trade war between the world's two biggest economies. After numerous stops and starts, some optimism this Friday coming out of Beijing. Chinese President Xi Jinping said he wants to work out an initial trade pact with the U.S. and said China has been trying to avoid a further escalation. But there's a caveat. Xi told representatives of an international forum any agreement on the so-called Phase 1 deal must be, quote, on the basis of mutual respect and equality, and if necessary, quote, we will fight back. And he added, quote, we did not initiate this trade war, and this is not something we want. Financial markets interpreted his comments as more conciliatory than the ones made by President Trump earlier this week.
China would much rather make a trade deal than I would.
Then why haven't they?
Because I haven't wanted to do it yet.
Why haven't you wanted to?
Because I don't think they're stepping up to the level that I want.
Trump seemed to soften that rhetoric Friday, telling Fox News that when it comes to a deal, the two sides were, quote, potentially very close. Friday's comments by both leaders is leading to a modest improvement in market sentiment, sending stocks on an upswing Friday. But concerns earlier this week of a breakdown between Beijing and Washington have put U.S. and European stocks on track for their first weekly drop in 7 weeks.